Hi there, I'm Laura. I am here with my Pilates tip of the week. We're going to look at doing core stuff and whether or not to use head support. So often people think that when we're lying down, that if we use a head support, it's going to push us into a forward head posture, which we're always trying to avoid. But if you really need the support, if your head does lift forward, it's going to be much better to support the head where it needs to be, because that's going to affect our, not just our neck, but tension all the way down the spine. So if I am better aligned and more comfortable with a pillow, then if I check into my back and there's way less tension, it's going to be much more beneficial to use it. If I take that away when I really need one, it's probably going to pull my head back of where it should be relative to the vertebrae of the neck, as well as, if you check in, creating some tension at the base of the ribs or the low back region. So check in, find out if doing ab work, if we do some low ab dead bugs here, if that's creating a lot of tension in the back, if you have to really try and counter that position, then it's going to be much more useful. You don't have to use a big head pad, but a little one. See if you can find a position. Is that a position that gives you that ease through the back, that deeper connection through the core in front? That might well be a better option for you. Play with that. It's not going to push you into a further head nod position or a further forward head position, and see if it gives you a bit more freedom in your back and a little bit more access to your core. It might be at least a better place to start.